My favourite part of the course, probably learning the equipment, things like big desks.
I've been booking Studio 4, which has a Neve desk, which is kind of like the Rolls Royce of desks in the industry.
We won't get the chance probably outside of this course to have access to this unless we're working in a studio, which will take a long time to actually get.
You have that freedom to kind of do things on your own. You can just book a studio, there's no questions asked. Obviously there's help here from the techs whenever you want it.
The people who work behind the scenes, people like Ryan, are sort of godsends,
So we get a lot of time to spend in the studios, like working with a real band.
I've had the opportunity to start a record label, for example, so I've been doing all the mixing and mastering in the studios, and I've been recording artists.
The location, Cambridge, is quite handy because there's a big creative group of people.
We spend a lot of time kind of working at the Junction, so one of the venues in Cambridge. And that's been a really good opportunity to kind of get to know them people and kind of expose yourself to like a more professional environment.
I've had a lot of chances to meet industry professionals and also work on projects both course related and not course related.
I've really networked with a lot of people from Cambridge Uni and also other students from ARU, and I've made friends with people that do live sound.
There's quite a few clubs that you can work at if you are a music student and gain experience.
Hopefully I'll be working at the Junction or at the Corn Exchange, because I've been talking to them about like apprenticeships or work experience.
Next year I'm looking to go into a placement year. I'm looking to kind of do something within live sound and kind of acoustic sort of environment, because it could lead into employment when I leave.